Hey, all right, my name's John Erickson. Living and working here in Los Angeles, California. 6 feet tall. Reading for the role of Nolan.
Please, guys, I actually want to work here. But it's him or me.
Kayla, we hear you, girl. And we're not trying to put you in any sort of uncomfortable position. And we're certainly not asking you to forgive the guy.
I mean, Nolan and I don't think he's a good guy or anything.
Right. It's just business. Keely needs work just like anyone else, and the guy deserves a second chance. Look, we just want to grow Firestarter to the point where we can focus more on people whose ideals align with ours. But until then, stick with us, Kay. Please, baby. When Firestarter's the biggest management company in the entire world, you'll be feasting on the spoils along with us. If I pulled that shit when I was an assistant, my boss would have fed me my own dick, bro.
Totally. It would be instant castration. I hate to state the obvious, but it's 'cause she's a chick.
Yeah, and because she worked at that women empowerment news company, wherever that was.
Industry's changing, bro. This new generation is too sensitive. She's a dope assistant as far as assistants go.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.